Hello everyone, it's Freename on YouTube here with a video on how to factory reset this D-Link M30 using a paperclip. So in my example, I've forgotten the IP address of it, or I've misconfigured it, I don't know what the password is, or done something else to mess it up. So over here on my laptop it's saying destination host unreachable because I've forgotten the IP address and I don't know what it's on. I've turned off DHCP so I can't see, etc. So if we want to go back to factory settings, which will wipe all of the details that are stored in this, so if you've got PPPoE details for your ISP, it will remove all of those. On the back of the router, to the left of the power socket, is a small recessed reset hole. So I'm going to put a paperclip in there and I will let you know when I'm going to press that button, and you can see what happens on the light on the router. Just briefly pressing the button is not enough. You need to hold the button down. So I'm going to let you know when I'm going to press it. You'll see what the light on the router does as well, and I'll let you know when I'm going to let go. I'm going to press and hold now and let go now when the light turned red. So I pressed the button, held it in, and then the light went red, and then I let go. The router's now rebooting, but if you do this and you just tap it and you don't press it until the light changes, then you won't have triggered a reboot, and you won't even trigger a reset either. So now we are waiting for the router to start up again, and over here on this console window we should see, when it's working, we should see it says reply from 192.168.200.1, which is the default IP address of this router. While we're waiting for that, if this video has been helpful to you, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the notifications switched on, but the subscriber numbers are really helpful, so thank you very much if you do that. If you're after a video about the sockets on the back of this and the web admin interface of this router, there's also going to be a video linked in the description for that. So here we go. We now have a reply from 192.168.200.1. The router does appear on the network, disappears, it'll come back again, then it'll disappear again briefly, and then it will be back and ready to use. So if you are running your own pings, it will disappear at least once, probably twice, and then it will be ready to use. So there we go, that's how you reset this router. Hopefully it's been helpful, and as I say, if you do subscribe, that would be really brilliant, thanks. And yeah, dropped off the network for just a moment, and now it will be back and ready and will stay online.